Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road. We have a super clean Trail Teams Edition Cavalry Blue FJ Cruiser for you guys today to view. We have a long list of mods for you guys to see. This one is going with a set of King's 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers adjusted to about 3 inches of lift. These do come with the adjusters as well. King's 2.5 rear shocks with remote reservoirs and adjusters for the rear. We're doing Icon Billet delta joint upper control arms for the front, Icon rear lift springs for the rear, Icon Billet upper trailing arms and lower trailing arms, and we're also doing an Icon adjustable rear track bar. For the wheels, we're going with a 5-pack. Feel Coverts in the candy red color, 17x9 with a +1 offset. Bolt pattern on these bad boys are 6x139.7. Tires chosen here are the 285/70/17 Nito Ridge Grapplers. And to add a bit more power and sound to the vehicle, we're installing a Borla exhaust for it. In order to remove the upper control arms on the FJ Cruiser, you'd have to remove the battery. "88 Rotors is located in the city of South El Monte, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, feel free to reach out to us by phone anytime during regular business hours, or you can always message us through the contact form by clicking on the link in the description below. Well, thank you very much for viewing today, guys. We hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and also turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted every single time we post a new daily video. And until then, please take care of yourself, and thank you very much for the privilege of your time. Take care, guys. And if you like Cavalry Blue, make sure to check back in the next few days for the upload of this Tacoma.